Hello, students. Today we will read chapter 5, that is Through the Eyes of Traveler, module number 1. We will read in this module about Al-Biruni. Dear students, Al-Biruni, the full name of Al-Biruni was Muhammad Ibn Ahmad Abu Rehan Al-Biruni. Now we will read the further thing about him. Where was he born, when was he born, and his education and his life. Let's read first about his birth. He was born in 1973 at Khwarizm. Khwarizm, that is located in Uzbekistan. So that thing born 973 where? That is in Khwarizm. That is in Khwarizm. And where is the Khwarizm? It is located in Uzbekistan. So he did his previous education itself in Khwarizm. Khwarizm, it was a very famous place for its education. Like here in India, it is Takshila, Nalanda. Similar, that Khwarizm, it was the center of education. Here, he had got all his education, primary to higher education, he got itself in Khwarizm. Then about the languages, which languages he was aware? Languages. Al-Biruni, he was a very wise, very intelligent man. He was well versed in Arabic language, Persian language, Syriac language, Hebrew, and when he arrived here, remained in the company of Brahmins, then he learned Sanskrit. It means he was aware about the Arabic, Persian, Hebrew, Syriac, and then at Sanskrit. He was well known about these languages. Dear students, beside this, the man was having a great knowledge about physics, chemistry, astronomy, astrology, and mathematics. The man had very deep knowledge about all these things. He was also the member of Council of Khwarizm. Now, how did he arrive in India? That is one incident took place in his life during 1017, when Muhammad Ghazni attacked Khwarizm. He had made Al-Biruni his captive. Al-Biruni, he was brought to Ghazni as a hostage, and Muhammad felt quite impressed with the ability of Al-Biruni because he was very wise man, quite intelligent. Due to his ability, Muhammad Ghazni was impressed him. He not only released Al-Biruni but also honored him with the title of Shah-e-Khwarizm, because of his talent, because of his ability. Muhammad Ghazni has awarded him title of title of Shah-e-Khwarizm. Now the thing, how did he arrive in India? How did he arrive in India? When did he came India? Dear students, when Ghazni attacked India, during the time period 1089, then Al-Biruni requested him that he wanted to go to India. He had heard about India. So Ghazni took him along the company of his soldiers. So some reasons that he had mentioned, here Al-Biruni remained in the company of Indian soldiers. When he came India, remained in the company of soldiers, Brahmins. He learnt a lot here. He had learnt Sanskrit and became well versed. He also translated many of the Indian books into Arabic language, like Patanjali's work in grammar and some others. Okay.